Welcome to Giggle Star Kids.
In the corner of the night, a little lantern glows. It wonders if it's strong enough by the window and blows. But even the smallest spark can light the darkest skies. With courage in its tiny glow, it's brighter than it tries. Shine, shine your little light, chase away the lonely night. Together we'll glow so bright, a star on Christmas Eve. The storm came rushing in, and the world went dark. But the little lantern showed its brave and golden heart. Through the snow and chilly air, it found its place to be at the top of the Christmas tree, shining for all to see. It's not the size of the flame, it's the heart behind the name. When we shine together, we'll light up forever. Shine, shine your little light, chase away the lonely night. Together we'll glow so bright, a star on Christmas Eve. Hold the gift, let it shine, spread the joy, it's Christmas time. Hearts are glowing, spirits high, with a golden light we'll touch the sky. Softly closes, emphasizing the warmth of family and love during Christmas. Under the tree, with stars so bright, we'll celebrate this magical night. Together we'll glow so bright, a golden glow in the silent night.
Thanks for watching Giggle Star Kids. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun adventures. See you next time.